my dear students, welcome to Teacher at Home. Today class we are going to learn the first section of the second one, that is organizing information. Know your relatives. Relationship, brother. So how many brothers are there as number of relatives? You can write your number, maybe written as 3 or 4. It's your wish. In your home, how many brothers are there? How many sisters are there? That you can write. Sister, alright, here are 6. Grandfather, 2. Grandmother, 2. Then uncle, how many uncles are there? 4. Aunties, also 4. Okay, like this you can fill these columns. Divide the class into small groups. Discuss among the group members how the child comes to school. That is whether she is coming by bus or walking or auto rickshaw, by any means. Okay. Ask them to complete the table by marking the symbol circle. 3 students come to school by bicycle. The mark the symbol circle 3 times against the bicycle. Denotes the number of students. How do they come to school? So total, that is by walking. Walking, how many students are coming? That you can represent. Okay, how many students are there by walking? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write here as 9. Then how many students are coming by bicycles? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can write here as 5. How many students are coming by bike? That also we can represent. 1, 2, 3 means 3. And you can write here as 3. By auto, how many will be coming? By auto, if 10 means you can write 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So write here as 10. Then here by van, how many is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you can write here as what? Here write here as 15. Okay. Then by bus. By bus, how many will be coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what we can do here? And write here as 6. Okay. Answer the following based on the data collected. How do you come to school? That you have to tick. That is a bicycle, by van. You can tick. How many friends in your group come to school by walk? Here we have already written. What is the answer? By walking. 9 students I have written. Okay, so 9. Total number of members in your group. So how many will be there that you can count and write? Okay. Then tick means of transport which is used most in a group. Most in a group using what means of transport? Van. Least group by walking. So that's all about this chapter. If you're interested, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.